So, moving further, let's welcome our toppers of the year 24-25. To honor them, first of all, I would like to call Dr. Jigar Ben on stage. So, from pre-K, first is Ira. I would like to request the respective parents of the ward to please come on stage and receive the award with them. From K1, first is Shriyan Desai. I would like to request the parents of Shriyan Desai to please come forward. From K1, second is Dharv Patel. From K1, third is Akar. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, आप ही के बच्चे हैं, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Honor the students of K2, I would like to call Dr. Ankita Bain from Creative International School. From K2, the first rank is Dhruv Mangrolia. Please give a huge round of applause for him. And I would like to request the respected parents of the ward to come on stage with them. From K2, the second prize holder is Drisha Patel. And the rising star from K2 is Ishita Sharma. Now, from grade first, the toppers of the year are as, first is Sanidhya Bhutani. Second, Pareen Kotak. We have a tie for the second position as we have Shivansh Mishra as well for the second position. Now, the rising stars of grade 1 are Anshi Patel, Riyansh Yadav, and Rudra Dumania. To honor the students of grade 2, I would like to call respected Prithviraj Sir, Principal of VIP Nicole, who has been a constant support from day one. It's because of him that all the programs have completed successfully and at such a grand level. Please give a huge round of applause for him. Rising star from grade 1, Anshi Patel, Riyansh Yadav, and Rudra Dumania. Please come on stage. From grade 2, the toppers are first Sanvi Verma. Second is Kapis Singh. And the rising star from grade 2 is Dhruti Gugarwal. Now, To honor the students of grade 3, I would like to call Amrita Badam ma'am, the ex-employee of VIP International School, Nicole. She has worked with VIP Group of Educations for 16 years. She has now retired, but still she is a part of VIP family. I would request ma'am to come on stage to honor the students. I would like to call Ami Pandey ma'am, principal of VIP Nicole from 1 to 8, to honor the students. Amaya Bhadoria, second, Paridhi Patel, and the rising star from grade 4 is Priyanshi Singh. I would request the respected parents to please come on stage with their awards.